Well, good morning there, TikTok. We got them warming up. It's a little chilly this morning. We're fixing to bring the 9 T down here and get fuel in it. And get this shear done before it rains. This old girl was cold, son. Still is cold. The hydraulic fluid in there warmed up a little bit. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I don't know about in y'all's area, but it's going to rain starting tomorrow, I believe, and rain all week and into the weekend. They talk about possible flooding. So this is going to be our last day to do anything on this job for a little while because it's going to get wet out here. And wet ground and this dozer does not get along at all. Yep. Y'all have a good one, TikTok. I'm out. Morning, TikTok. How y'all doing today? We got Mr. Rogers up here on the D6R doing a little raking behind me as I'm shearing. I'm fixing to get on a 9 T and fire it up and pull it up by the truck and put 100 gallons of fuel in it. Ain't gonna fill it up, but we ain't bought a 1,000-gallon tank out here yet, and we need to do that. But I think I'm gonna tighten the tracks up on it and grease it and all that good stuff this morning. And I know the tracks on that dozer up there needs to be tightened up too. Hey, y'all don't forget now that D6R is for sale. We need to get rid of it. If anybody's looking for a good machine, that would be a fine one. It's a damn good machine. We just go into all LGP tractors, so that one is for sale. Things starting to look good, man. This job's wet as hell. These spots like right down in there, it's just where you can see where they sunk the skidders at when they was logging this. So we just working on these hillsides right now. I've got all this sheared all the way on the other side of that hill right there, all the way down to about right down there in that bottom. It starts getting wet and I stopped. We're trying to find a shear blade for a D6T LGP right now so we can come out here and shear these wet spots. We're trying not to get this thing right here stuck. If you get that some bit stuck, you got something on your hands. I know we sunk a couple years ago, we sunk that 9R and it took 2 D6Ts to pull it out, and it was all they wanted to pull it out. But anyway, well, TikTok, y'all have y'all a good day, and I'll catch y'all later. I'm gonna try to make a little video or two today. I may get Nathan to walk beside me while I'm shearing a little bit. Let y'all see the old 9 T in action. All right, TikTok, y'all have a good one. Bye. What's up, TikTok? We got a new one, a new D6T LGP, or new to us. We've had it for a few weeks now, but we just got finished putting a new undercarriage on it, rebuilt the pivot shaft seals, equalizer bar, painted it, put a winch on it, and put a rake on it. And we just got it out here on a job today. I've run it for about 10 minutes, and I went into lunch and just got back and just gonna get on her and try her out. She's a really nice tractor. I like it. It's a hell of a rake too. Got good long teeth on it. They far apart where you can get the dirt out of it. Pretty good. But that's her. Fixing to see what she's made of. We really enjoy these D6Ts, man. They're fine machines. Strong machines, too. These little tractors are push. But I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit, and we're gonna go out here and see what she's made of. Girl to push.